Welcome to the Queen's Court. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. And yeah, let's get started because it is the top of the morning. I picked up Sally Hansen, Good Kind Pure, and it's vegan. I picked up this pretty nail polish. How's everyone doing? I just want the people in Florida and Georgia to know that we hope everything is well and that we were praying for you. But this is a beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, it's by Sally Hansen. Very pretty. And I also picked up this Shea Butter lipstick, okay, by Ione. I thought this was so nice. Shea Butter lipstick? Let's see what it looks like. I love Ione packaging. So nice. But yeah, we're praying for y'all. You know, I know a lot of people have lost their power and stuff like that there. But I want you to know that I was praying for you all. Okay. This is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I like that. Comes out like that. Try it. Oh, God, that feels so good. I like that. Put that in my pocketbook. And I picked up me some, when I get the Disney socks at our location, because we don't get them that much at our location, but the Disney socks, the crew socks, size is 9 to 13, $1.25, and I got Mickey Mouse. So cute. I like that. I'll probably be giving them to my grandson. And I also picked up the eye mask in this beautiful butterfly. Let's see if we can get it out. But yes, hope everyone is doing well. As I stated before, I just made it like this here. Okay. Let me put it over your eyes like this here. So nice, roomy, you know, for big head friendly. You know, stretch is really nice, but I love those butterflies. Y'all know me. I love my butterflies. That's nice. And I picked up LA Colors liquid eyeshadow. And in this here color right here, it says Bronxer Babe. So liquid eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow, y'all. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to put this on this morning. It's beautiful. Okay. This color is really nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. If you can see that. But that's nice. I like that color. It's pretty. And I picked up this Freeman French Pink Clay Peel Off Mask. I love the peel off mask, y'all. The other day, I put on a peel off mask. I looked in the mirror. I was like, oh my God, my face is so glassy and it's tight. And I tried to start the peel and it wouldn't start peeling. I was like, oh my God, what did I do to my face? I thought that was the funniest thing. But anyway, it's a pore clearing. So yeah, I got that from Freeman. It's 2 in the pack. Freeman is really, really good. I like Freeman. Freeman is a really good product. Yes, my daughter loves Freeman too. Yes, like that. And I picked up these mini Tweezers. They are the cutest thing by Sassy and Cheek. Yes. You have one for like the pointed tip for ingrown hairs. You have a slanted tip for brow hairs. And you have the flat edge tip for thick hairs. I did not know Twitches had all this going on. But anyway, yes. I got those. Yes, very nice. I like that. Because I got some gray hairs up in these eyebrows that need to come out. And I heard so much about this here, asparagus spares. They are really, really, oh, and I love asparagus anyway, y'all. And if I can just take them out the jar and just eat them like that, that works for me. So, these are asparagus, spears, and, it's non-GMO. And the weight, net weight is 7.5. Look at that. Asparagus in the jar at the Dollar Tree, y'all. 5 quarters. Yes. Yes, please. I'll be glad when Byrne come back. Y'all keep Byrne in prayer. All things Byrne. You know, she had operation and all. So keep her in prayer and keep her lifted before the Lord. That she will have a speedy recovery. And that everything will work well with her. Everything is going well with her. Okay? And I also picked up the Silver Lift and Firm, honey, because I need anything that can lift the skin. It is spa results in 20 minutes. Silver Lift and Firm Peel Off Mask. Love this. And I love this women's own company. This stuff is good. I tried the vitamin C, the orange. That's the one that I was like, oh no, is it gonna come off? Works wonders. My skin felt so good though after I took that off. Helps visibly smooth, firm, and tone skin as it nourishes. And I tell you, it did everything it said it would do. Okay. And I picked up the Face and Body Wipes Brazilian Mist with notes of pistachio and salted caramel. Yes, by Power Stick. This was on my wish list. So yeah. I got this. Yes. And it's like 30 wipes. So yeah. And as I was walking along, different days, I go to Dollar Tree every day. I'm what you call obsessed. But I love Dollar Tree. Okay, this is the 4-in-1 stackable lipstick. Okay. I want to see these colors. So we're going to open this and look at these colors. I wanted the one with the brown at the top, so I'm hoping that it's brown. It's supposed to be like a pencil, I guess. This is it's supposed to be brown, but it's not. And we have that first color. Oh, okay, the next one screws off. It's this color. I'm going to put them all on and then I'll show them to you. Oh, this is super neat, but, ooh, that color. Pretty colors, wow. Okay. We got them on, and here they are. You can't, oh man, I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, those are the colors. Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful colors. Y'all, oh, when I seen these, I was like, oh my goodness. Y'all, would y'all look at this? 7 Breeze, size 8 for children. 100% cotton, softer than ever. Days of the week. Disney's Encanto. Yes. Y'all, look at this. thought these were so nice, and it gives you every day of the week. Yeah, every day of the week. So how about that? For $5, y'all, you got 7 pair of panties for every day of the week. Very, very nice. I thought that was very nice. And I picked up also this beauty sleep mask here. Okay. I thought that was cute too. And these are nice and thick, y'all. So these are going in like my Mother's Day baskets. Very nice. You know, we got a lot of birthdays coming up in our church. September was really huge, but yes, these are nice and comfortable and soft. I never slept with a mask on, so I wouldn't know how that feels. I don't sleep with a mask because I don't like it dark. I wake up with a mask on, but I'll be like, ooh. Okay, and y'all, this is very exciting. Pasta Zing spaghetti pasta. Microwaves in 60 seconds, simply delicious, fully cooked, BPA-free pouch, non-GMO, 100% natural ingredients, no artificial colors or flavors, good. It's halal, and it's kosher, and informed plant-based. Hey, this is really nice. Spaghetti. Wow. The expiration date is June 11, 2026. If you can see that. Okay? This is really nice. They feel pretty good too, y'all. And I also picked up me some unsweetened applesauce. Okay? Like to snack on at the job, or either like at the end of the night, you know. If I get like a little hungry. And the expiration date on that is December 4th, 2025. You can see that, okay? And y'all, I got the stackable pumpkins. Okay, let's see how they look stacked. Yeah, I was like, oh my goodness, so cute. I wanted to paint them, but I don't know if I'm going to have time to do that. But I do want to show you how they stack. Oh, wow. Very nice. For $1.25, y'all. Oh, and they do have the bigger ones, too. The bigger ones, I think they're like $5. But yes, look at that. And they snap. I thought they was just going to sit on top of each other. But yes, look at that. Very nice. I love it. Very nice. Yes. $5, y'all. Yes. I might have to go back and get another one because I might sit them in the living room on the mantle. Y'all, when I seen this, I was like, oh my goodness, somebody hauled it. I don't know. It probably was Nani. I love her. Y'all go check out Nani. Yes, Nani is so sweet. I love her. And I love her channel. And I love her spirit. Yes. She had these here. She had the French fries and the astronaut. But I thought the astronaut was so cute. And I think I'm going to give this to my grandson to put his phone on. I already put batteries in it so that I can show y'all. Isn't he cute? And look at that. Oh, so cute. My phone is, I'm using it, so I can't put my phone on it. But yeah, so nice. So cute. So cute. Yep. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the haul. I enjoyed bringing this to you today. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And remember, like I always say, It's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Go and love somebody. Love up on your family. Love up on your friends. Love up on your husbands and your wives. Y'all, time is winding up. Jesus loves you and so do I. But please, remember that Jesus loves you. And y'all, just get it right. Okay? Get it right with the Lord. Where if anything in your life that's not right, get it right with God, okay? Love you all. Bye-bye.